my mind. What birds? This is the living room, y'all, slash toy room.
It smells so good. Oh, yes.
This is the dining room.
The blue page.
No, we get rid of it.
I know you said that, but I love the blue.
Friday night, Saturday morning.
You gonna bed already?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so y'all, this is the living room.
I love it.
Nothing, it's just a different, like,
So matches this, so look, the light will bring it out.
so we're doing great.
Oh, you doing great. Yeah, you just a light gray, dark gray.
So light gray.
That's really nice.
Front window.
Oh, my.
I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. This is the dining room.
See your house? Yeah, this is your house.
The kitchen. It does it? Okay. Cabinetry.
Oh, this is awesome.
Picture of me. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Y'all, we already have some ideas of what we're doing. And we have painting, we have paint, we have, again, I didn't remember that this was textured like this. I did not remember that. This is actually a bit smaller than I would want, but it does have that extended shower, but we're gonna get a new one to match. Not sure what we're gonna do with this part, because that's a bit cracked, but we can definitely, there's some things that we're gonna do. This is coming out. That right there. Okay. Let me show y'all. I think I showed y'all the kitchen. This right here, we're turning into a pantry. Even though it's a closet, we're putting shelves in it, and it turned into a pantry. And this right here, no, go ahead. You can use it if you need to. This right here is going to be a complete linen closet. Okay, so it did already have shelves in it, but I'm putting shelves on this side too. Yeah, I'm putting shelves on this side as well. And it's going to be a complete linen closet.
Got a lot of room.
I know, Mom, huh? I love it, love it, love it. Now this, if this one has a closet, this is the master bedroom. I know Terrell keep thinking you have, it's the master bedroom.
You gotta make sure y'all.
A lot of stuff is getting new knobs.
Yeah, I figured that. Right?
Nice stuff.
The windows are brand new.
Oh, this your home?
Yes, brand new.
So this is one of the closets. Definitely probably gonna get a second rack to go there to there.
You like your house?
And then this is, this is another closet. We will do, as a light in it, we will do a second rack in as well. Won't be nothing special, but let me step back. Oh, it has a cute little window with the deck. Okay, for the deck and everything. You know, my right here yet. We ain't even moved in yet. We can't move to the time. Yeah, tomorrow. So this one is going to be Terrell's room, I think. I don't know because of the shelving. Definitely have to decide what this one's gonna be. I can definitely see Terrell folding his pants here, utilizing this closet. This is gonna be Terrell's room. I think, yes. I like those blinds too. Terrell, I think this is gonna be a room.
Well, you mean that one? Dang.
Sorry, the baby. She's in my way. This is the one I said was gonna. Actually, this one's gonna be too. This one's gonna be a. Yes, it is.
So dark and heavy.
Dark. I'm gonna.
There's stars up in this one.
Stars on the ceiling.
Turn the light on so let's see the stars look like. Oh.
The light. There need a light bulb in it. So y'all know. Can y'all see the stars?
It's a light bulb in there.
No, so when the inspection, they check all that, Mom.
Stars.
Oh.
Nice. You gonna leave these doors on here?
The doors are fine for now. These doors, yeah.
No,
That.
right here.
Oh no, that's coming out.
Yeah,
That's the first thing I said. That's coming out.
Yeah, you get that. I mean, people used to love to have those.
I know.
Gosh, we don't fair at it.
Okay, y'all, we're going downstairs. Come on. Let's go. Where's the baby?
Come on, she's right here.
Come on. Go down. Okay. Oh, let me switch on. What's wrong? Okay, here.
I didn't like my car.
This part, I don't want to have to change this railing, but we may change it.
This is good though.
Right, but I don't like this whole, she's not that tall yet. I don't like that whole part, she
Yeah,
can
it's
slide
kind
down.
of like,
But you,
it's kind of like the stairs are very on wheels.
I don't
So
know if I
skinny.
would. I don't know if I would change it. I would add to it maybe.
Okay. Can Mama get your hand? She's like, girl, don't leave me. Alright, y'all, we are going down. Come on. We're gonna have to work on you coming up and down these stairs by yourself because you do not like for nobody to help you.
Like this.
Alright, so here. This is the man cave.
The man cave. This is my son-in-law's cave.
This is the man cave. Ooh, it's nice and cool
All
down here.
right. Oh, this is your spot, my son. You're gonna draw the line right here, right?
So y'all, this is the bottom level. Hey. Since you're already watching my video, go down and subscribe. Click that bell so you can be notified. If you want, yeah, because that red one goes in my kitchen. That's my office back there. Ooh, this is the downstairs bathroom that we love. We're gonna do some painting. Okay, and this is where the laundry room is gonna be. Washer, dryer. Oh, I thought this was creepy at first. No, this is my studio.
She's just playing around.
Okay. Oh, we definitely have oh. It's a crock pot and everything down there. Hey, get your butt out here. I didn't know we had a store. Okay, cool. Let me go show your daddy, Chris.
Cause she's scared. She don't want to be in there. She be scared of it too.
She was not scared.
She was.
Chris,
Yes.
did you see the storage? All the storage back there?
I told you there was storage.
No, like it's not just a hallway. It's under like, and it's a crock. It's like a three-pot crock pot back there. Not sure. I mean, I take it, but I don't know if they want it. They can definitely. So here you go. We don't have to put none of that stuff in my office. There's definitely enough space, like storage space. I don't know why I thought this was like a creepy corner. It's totally not that at all. Okay. So this goes out to the back door. Yes, this goes out to the back door.
Really nice.
And oh, I didn't know there was storage on there.
It's another room too.
What?
In the back.
Right, I know, this is my studio. Yes, it is. And this is the glam studio, y'all.
So both rooms are gonna be a studio, correct?
No, so this is gonna be like my studio office. That's gonna be like where I'll do my makeup.
Oh.
Nuh-uh. Probably do my makeup and stuff like that. Like I wanna get the backdrops that you hang up and come out.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so that's on the roll. That's gonna be, I can definitely put my
This
van.
room will be down here.
No, ma'am. I gotta have an area to create content. This is how I make money. Nope.
They don't even have a little spot down here.
For what?
Right.
They got the plate, the list, because most people, we're not gonna be upstairs. So being upstairs just we not gonna
We
get
need
it
to wrap.
So the living room is gonna be slash living room slash play area. Because if I have company, they're gonna come down into my home. You know, Chris has company, he has a whole man cave. So now if the kids have company, and then I'm friends with their parents, you know, depending on who they are, we'll be upstairs because you're playing around. If it's like Jaden or something like that, that's, you know.
You happy you playing with mommy? Yeah.
She gave y'all the bunker. So this is probably.
She was good. I told you I don't have a problem with her.
Whoa.
She only cried when she seen it at one time, but then she took a nap, she ate, she did.
Okay, y'all, so this is, haven't decided if I'm gonna put like my clothes in here, slash,
You know what, though, honestly, if I were you, I would make this my own closet.
so that's what I'm thinking,
Vanity, you know, you get your vanity
in my hair stuff. So I'm gonna have to get some more garment racks to do that
That's
because
you love clothes, you got a lot of clothes.
I do. I may get some shelving for like my jeans, different type of shelving for my jeans to be on. Like that thing that I have, you know that big black thing I have? It takes up too much space. So I need something smaller and
But you can don't go that way because that like utility room back there. You put it back there like
so I think I'm just gonna keep the sides. I'm not gonna keep the middle part. The middle part you can hang clothes on.
right.
So it's two like shelves and then a hanger part all connected together. I'm just gonna keep the shelf because my pants and stuff is already on the shelves. So I can stick them bam right next to each other. Simple, easy. So y'all, we have quite a bit to do with the painting and stuff, but I'm super excited. Also, this right here, it's not supposed to be here.
It works though.
I know. I can definitely keep it for like.
And repaint it.
I mean, possibly. Honestly, I would just want to put more shelves in it. Because if I put more shelves in it and then painted it, I could definitely, like if I put another shelf in here, I can definitely, this could be where my pants and stuff be at. That's 3 rows, you know what I mean? I could definitely do that.
Well, you know what?
I told Chris I wanted to keep it. He said he didn't want me to. But I definitely wanted to keep it.
Well, what would you put there if you threw it away?
Nothing. Maybe my desk, maybe. I could definitely put my desk there though. So that's the thing, because I want to have, when you come here, I want it to look like a studio.
Right, you got it.
So I could,
Like a rapping studio for me. Yeah. It's T Jizzy on the mic.
so y'all, that is a quick house tour. Now remember Zebo, he didn't like this house. If you remember that, then what I said, this was my #1 pick. Look at us now. Huh? Whatever.